Here are some tips for locating a broken or loose neutral in an old apartment. First, use a non-contact voltage detector. Pass the non-contact voltage detector along all wires and cables. A beeping sound near a wire will indicate the presence of voltage. Identify all wires with voltage, as they may be connected to the hot circuit. Second, test with the multimeter. Set the multimeter to alternating current voltage mode. Measure the voltage between each wire and ground. A voltage reading of 0 volts indicates a broken or loose neutral. 3. Check for continuity. Use a continuity tester to check the continuity of the neutral wire. Disconnect the neutral wire from the ground fault circuit, interrupter, and other devices. Test between the neutral wire and the main service panel neutral. If there is no continuity, the neutral is broken. 4. Trace the wiring path. Follow the neutral wire from the ground fault circuit interrupter through the circuit. Check all connections, splices, and devices where the neutral may be interrupted. Look for loose wires, damaged insulation, or corrosion. 5. Check for buried junction boxes. Old apartments often have buried junction boxes hidden in walls or ceilings. Use a stud finder or probe to locate these boxes. Open the boxes and inspect the neutral wire connections. 6. Seek professional help. If all else fails, consider seeking assistance from a licensed electrician. They have specialized equipment and experience to quickly locate and repair the broken neutral. Additional tips: work safely and follow all electrical codes. Take photos of the wiring system before disconnecting anything. Keep track of all the wires you check and their voltage readings. Be patient and persistent. Finding a broken neutral can be time-consuming.